Welcome to Module 3, where we will look at surveillance modules. Now, you have a product added already, and I open up a product profile. Here I have added a product called Omnipod Dash, and as you can see, for the product profile, when adding a smart surveillance, a smart regulatory list, there are only a few things added. But when we move over to the surveillance models, we see that we need more product information. So we start with the AI robot and get suggestions, and that we can choose to accept or to alter. So sometimes the AI robot might suggest something that is a little bit too long, as in this case. I simply mark up the part that I would like to copy. I add it in manually and remove the phrase that I didn't like. And here comes some of the critical components, and I'll just add syringe and also add it before I save and move on. And then we also have similar products, and I was happy with the suggestions. Now we're all set. And oops, that marked up a lot of things. One more try. So the first modules, you get presented by a list of module templates available. And as you see, they are grouped in regulatory, then product safety. And further down here, we have innovation and new technology. Oh, it keeps on marking a lot of things here. So there's a list of templates of surveillance modules that you can activate now that you have completed the setup for your product profile. So let's add a few here, or let's take a look at what they are before we add them. So when you click see configuration, you see all the types of sources that will be monitored, and you also see the query that will be used. And we actually reveal what happens when we add all that information to the product profile. That information is used to build up the queries. So here we take another example, and I can search if it's a certain source I would like to make sure is there. PubMed, yes, it was there in the list. And the matching rules, as you see, there we see the indications and intended use that I selected for this product, building up the search query. So let's add a few that we would like to have as active in our active modules. Okay. Maybe some more. Yeah. Let's have a look now. So these are all the surveillance modules that we selected. And in the very beginning, they are empty because our robots are sent to these sources, start searching through millions and millions of articles to find the ones that matches with the matching words that you could see in the settings. Here is some results already. So literature. So what can you do? This is what it looks like when there has been matches. And as you know, literature, these scientific journal articles, they are quite long. And what you can do with them is to have the AI generate a summary, so you don't have to read the entire thing. From here, you will recognize whether this one contains an increased risk or something else that indicate that this should be brought to your post-market surveillance. You also saw that I clicked on tags, which is a feature so that you can structure your findings. Now, if you're unhappy or happy with the article or finding, there might be some that you don't like. You can simply archive them. And in this case, I selected one. And selected means that I can use this for report generation. So let's select the time frame. You follow me along. I clicked on the left hand menu to get the reports. So I select the module. I can also filter this on tags, and then I preview. Okay, but let's change the time frame so it covers both January and February. And here you see the one article that I just selected. I know this went very fast, but this is a recording, so you can go back. It's in there, but not the others. So that means that the other articles that are in the feed they are kind of pending. And here you see the number of matched, the number of searched, and the ones that are pending. And pending means that they are pending state. They are not ready to be in the report. You can go back, add others. Let's do so, other modules of your interest. And you are feel free to add whatever module you wish to add. You can add them all, and you can add just a few. That's all. Thank you very much.